Humans have landed on Moon. We have sent robots to Mars. But there is one place on Earth where humans almost never go. The bottom of the ocean. Why is the deepest part of our planet still unexplored? Today in this video we will discover why humans cannot reach the bottom of the ocean, what really exists there, and why this place is more dangerous than space itself. The average depth of ocean is about 3.7 kilometers, but the deepest part, called the Mariana Trench, is almost 11 kilometers deep. To understand this, imagine placing Mount Everest inside the ocean. Even Mount Everest would still be underwater. This depth is so extreme that sunlight completely disappears. No light. The biggest reason humans cannot reach the bottom of the ocean is pressure. As we go deeper, water pressure increases rapidly. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the pressure is almost 1,000 times greater than at the sea level. That pressure is strong enough to crush steel, break submarines, and instantly kill humans. Our human body is designed for air pressure, not water pressure. Even the strongest bones would collapse within seconds. Below a certain depth, there is zero sunlight. Plants cannot survive. Photosynthesis is impossible. But still life exists. Deep sea creatures have adapted in terrifying ways, glowing bodies, huge mouths, and slow movement to save energy. Many of those creatures look like aliens, and scientists are still discovering new species. You may ask, why do not we just build stronger machines? The answer is simple. Extreme pressure plus extreme cost plus extreme risks. Only a few special submarines have ever reached such depths. Most of them are robotic, not human operated. One small mistake and the entire machine can collapse like a paper. Yes, but only a very few times in history. Even today, less people have visited the deepest ocean than those who have ever gone to space. And even after reaching there, we still do not fully understand what lies beneath. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. The ocean controls Earth's climate, oxygen, and life balance. Yet, it is the least understood part of our planet. In many ways, the ocean is Earth's final frontier. We look up at stars, dreaming of space, but beneath us lies a world just as mysterious and far more dangerous. The bottom of the ocean reminds us that even on our planet, there are places humans were never meant to reach. Stay curious and subscribe Score with Sen.